only 1 inch long. This cardinal fish needs to avoid becoming next on the lionfish menu. But he must catch dinner too. Huge, light-sensitive eyes help pinpoint small prey in the dark. Ostracods, crustaceans the size of a grain of sand, should make a manageable meal. But he's bitten off more than he can chew. Ostracods store a volatile cocktail of chemicals inside their bodies. If attacked, the compounds mix, igniting an explosion of bioluminescence brighter than a flashlight and leaving such a bad taste that the cardinal fish spits it out unharmed.